Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for 8th standard mathematics class. Today I am going to take algebra for you. I am going to take algebra to solve x plus 3, 2 minus 5, 0, 5 by 2, minus 7 by 3, P, Q, R, S. My dear students, we observe all these numbers. This is x. It has no perfect value. Which has no perfect value. So we call these as variables. 3 has a perfect value. We call it as constants. This is variable, this is constant. This is the combination of variable and the constant. Again it is a variable. And then this is constant, 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 constant. This all. This is variable, 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 variable. Now let us consider variable and constant. Now let us consider. There is a number line. Let us consider a number line. When we consider a number line, this is 0, this is x, this is p. The length of 0 to I think m is x. The length of m to p is 5. What is the distance between 0 and p? The distance is x, the distance is 5. This is x plus 5. How will it as? X plus 5. Now consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and this is 5. The distance is x. How will we as? How we consider this? This is the distance x. This is also distance x. This is also distance x. This is also distance x. This becomes x plus x, 1x plus 1x, 2x. 2x plus 1x, 3x, 3x plus 1x, 4x. This is what is the measurement? 5. The total distance is 4x plus 5. The position of this D, this is the D. The position of this 0, A, this is x, A, B, C, D. What is the position of D? The position of D is 4x plus 5. The position of D is 4x plus 5. Now we will pass on to some other things. There is a number line. Next, so this is expression. Now definition of the expression. What is the meaning of expression? An expression is the product of. What is an expression? An expression is the product of. Our expression is formed by a variable and the constant. It is formed by a variable and constants. It is formed by a variable and constant. An expression is formed by the variable and the constants. the term 4x, it is the product of dash and dash. The term 4x, the term 4x is the product of dash and dash. It is the product of 4 and x. The term 4x is the product of 4 and x. Next, the expression 7xy minus 5x. It has two terms. So 7xy, consider 7xy is the product of 7x and y. 7xy is the product of 7x and y. Minus 5x is the product of 5 and x. Minus 5x is the product of 5 and x. Here we have to note down one thing, my dear student. Coefficients. What is the meaning of coefficients? It is the expression coefficient. 4x. What is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 4. What is the coefficient of 4? The coefficient of 4 is x. Even though the coefficient of x is dash, the coefficient of 4 is dash. The quotient of x is 4, the quotient of 4 is x. But the 4 is treated as not the coefficient. This 4 is called numerical coefficient. The 4 is called the numerical coefficient. Now consider 7xy. Now consider 7xy. The coefficient of x is dash, the quotient of y is dash, the quotient of xy is dash, the quotient of 7 is dash, the coefficient of x is 7y, the coefficient of y is 7x, the coefficient of xy is 7, the quotient of 7 is xy. Here 7 is called numerical coefficient. 7 is called numerical coefficient. We call 7 as numerical coefficient. Next, consider minus 5x. Minus 5x. My question is, what is the numerical coefficient of minus 5x? The numerical quotient of minus 5x is minus 5. The numerical quotient of minus 5x is minus 5. Now we will pass on to our terms and coefficient. I think all of you understand this. Now I will pass on to monomials, binomials, trinomials. We are going to learn the things in the future. Polynomial. Now what is a monomial? The monomial means an expression having only one term is called monomial. An expression having only one term is called monomial. Example, 4x square, 3xy, minus 7z, 5xy square, 10y, minus 9, minus 82 mnp, etc. Observe here students, an expression having only one term is called monomial. Sir, this is one term, 4x square, 3xy, minus 72, 5x square, 10y, minus 9, minus 82 MNP. These are all called monomial. Monomial means an expression having only one term is called monomial. Now, binomial. Listen. An expression having two terms is called binomial. An expression having two terms is called binomial. So, example, a plus b is one term, here is one term between the plus sign. So, this a plus b is called binomial. 4l plus 5m is binomial. A plus 4 is binomial. 5 minus 3xy is binomial. Z square minus 4y square. Observe students here. There are two terms. In between them there is a plus sign. In between these two terms there is a plus sign. Between these two terms plus, minus. So, an expression having two terms is called binomial. This is binomial term. This is binomial term, this is binomial term, this is also, all these are binomial. Next come to trinomial. An expression having three terms is called trinomials. An expression having three terms is called trinomial. A plus b plus c, 2x plus 3y minus 5, x square y minus xy square plus y square. Listen here students, we have to distinguish between these two. This is a monomial, this is a binomial. Observe it. 1, 2, 3. How many terms? 3 terms. An expression having 3 terms is called trinomial. 1, 2, 3. Between them plus, between them minus, plus, minus, plus. So, this is called trinomial. Now, in the future classes, you are going to learn about polynomials. So, a plus b plus c plus d, 3xy, 7xyz minus 10, 2x plus 3y plus 7z. So, these monomial, binomial, trinomial are totally called as polynomials. So, an expression having only one term is called monomial. An expression having two terms is called binomial. Examples. These are all the examples. Examples of monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now, we will pass on to another topic. Before going to go to another topic, we will pass on to we are going to solve some problems, are going to understand the concept once again. Identify exercise 6.1. Identify terms and their coefficients for each of the following expressions. Each of the following expressions. Identify the terms and their coefficient in each of the following expressions. 5x square y minus 3xy, 1 plus x plus x square, 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square, 3 minus pq plus qr minus rp, x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5ab. So now identify the terms and coefficient for each of the following. Identify the terms and coefficients. Here terms, coefficients. Terms is 5x square y. Terms is 5x square y. Coefficient is 5. Terms is minus 3xy. Coefficient is minus 3. Now, terms and their coefficients. Now, here is 1x square. 1x square. What is the numerical quotient? 1. There is no number 1. There is no number 1. This is coefficient. And then this one 4x square y square. Quotient is 4 minus 4x square y square z square minus 4 z square. No number 1. Next 3. This is 3 minus pq minus 1 qr 1 minus rb minus 1. This is the coefficients. And then x by 2. X by 2. This is 1 by 2. Y by 2. This is also 1 by 2. Minus xy minus 1. Next 0.3a. 0.3a. This is 0.3 minus 0.6ab minus 0.6 and 0.5ab. This is 0.5. So we call this as, these are all terms, these are all coefficients. I want to explain once again, students. Identify terms and their coefficient for each of the following expression. So 5x square y minus 3xy. 5x square y. 5x square is the term, coefficient is 5. Minus 3xy, coefficient is minus 3. And then 1x square, coefficient is 1. No number 1. No number 1. There is, we treat it as 1x. Or we read it as 1x square. Coefficient is, terms is 4x square y square. Coefficient is 4. Coefficient is minus 4. Coefficient is 1. Next one is 3. Minus pq plus qr minus rp. 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1. X by 2. X by 2. X by 2 is 1 by 2. Yes. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. 0.3, 0 minus 0.6 and 0.5. Next, we will pass on to some other. Classify the following. I think all of you follow this. I will pass on to next one topic. Classify the following polynomials. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomial do not fit for which polynomial do not fit for any of these categories. Any of these three categories. First one is, we are first write all these things. X plus y 1000, x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4, 7 plus y plus 5x, 7 plus 5 plus 5x, 2y minus 3y square, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y square, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy, 4z minus 15z square, 4z minus 15z square, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD plus DA, PQ or P square Q plus PQ square, 2P plus 2Q. Well, students, now we are going to make one table, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, not fit for these categories. 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 So, first one, x plus y, it has two terms, it comes under binomial. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. It does not come under monomial, binomial, trinomial. It is not fit under these categories. X plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4. Next one is 7 plus y plus 5x. It comes under 1, 2, 3. Trinomial. 7 plus y plus 5x. Next one is 2y minus 3y square. And let's one more. 1000 comes under monomial. Next, 2y minus 3y square comes under binomial. 2y minus 3y square comes under binomial. Next, 1, 2, 3 terms comes under trinomial. 2y minus 3y square plus 4y square. Next, this is also comes under trinomial. 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. This is 4z minus 15z square comes under binomial. This is not fit for these three groups, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD plus AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So, next one is PQR. Listen here. This PQR can be written as P into Q into R. It comes under monomial. Next, binomial. P square Q plus PQ square. 2P plus 2Q. So, this is the classification of monomial, binomial and trinomial. I want to explain once again, my student. It contains two terms. It comes under binomial, monomial. This is not fit for these three categories. This is trinomial, this is binomial, this is trinomial, this is trinomial, this is binomial. This is not fit for these three categories: monomial, binomial and binomial. Well, students, after learning all these things, now we will pass on to the very important topic of the algebra, that is called like and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Look at the following expression. Observe the following expressions. Observe the following expressions. 7x, 14x, minus 13x, 5x square, 7y, 7xy, minus 9y square, minus 9x square, minus 5x. Well, students, we have to classify into like and unlike terms. What are like terms? Terms having same variable and same degree of the variable. Variable and degree of the variable. See, this is 7x. This is 14x. This is minus 13x. These are all called like terms. Why we treat it as like terms, students? Because degree is 1, variable is 1. Variable is same variable and same degree of variable. Now coming to this one, 5x square. Variable is x. Degree means the power. That is 2. Then this one not include this one, minus 9x square. These two are called like terms. Now next one is minus, so 7xy. 7xy, this is minus 5x is nothing but xy minus x 5x yx. So these are all called like terms. Like terms means terms having same variable and same degree of variable is same. So we call it as like terms. Next, unlike terms. What are unlike terms? 7y not comes under these two. 7xy not comes under these two. Minus 9y square. These are all unlike terms. Terms having same variable and same degree of variable. Okay. Now there is a question given for you. You have to write yourself. How we write this one? Write two terms. Write two like terms. Write two like terms. Like terms for each of the following. First one is 7xy. How we write the like terms? 7xy, 8xy, xy, minus 10xy, minus 20xy, but the xy is same. But we have to write the change variable. We may change the variable. So any two terms, 7xy and 8xy minus 10xy. These are all other like terms. 4mn square. How we write the like terms? 8mn square. Or we write 10mn square minus 20mn square. Only mn square. Or we may write minus mn square. We may write anything like terms. And next one is 2l, 5l, 6l, minus 8l. These are all like terms. We may write any other terms like this. So what are the things that we are learning in our today's class? We have to recapitulate once again. What are expression? An expression is the combination of variable and the constants. And next one is how to classify terms and coefficients. That is called numerical coefficients or simply coefficient. We write coefficient or numerical quotient. And then the classification of expression into monomial, binomial and trinomial. Only one term we call it as monomial. Two terms is called binomial. Three terms is called trinomial. We have to already classify into monomial, binomial and trinomial. After that, we will pass on to what are like and unlike terms. We have to classify the like and unlike terms.